Mutation. Genetic variation among individuals provides a raw material for the ultimate source of evolutionary changes. Mutation and recombination are the two major processes responsible for genetic variation. A sudden change in the genetic material of an organism is called mutation. The term mutation was introduced by Hugo de Vries while he was studying on the plant evening primrose, otherwise called as 4 o'clock plant, and proposed the mutation theory. There are two types of mutation, namely chromosomal mutation and point mutation or gene mutation. The genome can be modified on a larger scale by altering the chromosome structure or by changing the number of chromosomes in a cell. Chromosomal mutation classified under four groups. They are changes in the number of gene loci and changes in the arrangement of gene loci. In the first one, deletion and duplication occur. In the second one, inversion and translocation occur. Deletion. Loss of a portion of chromosome is called deletion. It is divided into terminal deletion and intercalary deletion. It occurs due to chemicals, drugs and radiations. It is observed in Drosophila and maize. Both deletion are observable during meiotic Pakitian stage and polytene chromosome. Duplication. The process of arrangement of the same order of genes repeated more than once in the same chromosome is known as duplication. It was first reported in Drosophila by Bridges and also in maize and pea. It is three types. They are tandem duplication, reverse tandem duplication, displaced duplication. Inversion. A rearrangement or order of genes in a chromosome by reversed by an angle 180 degree. This is involved two chromosomal breaks and reunion. There are two types of inversion, paracentric and pericentric. Translocation. The transfer of a segment of chromosome to a non-homologous chromosomes is called translocation. Translocation should not be confused with the crossing over. Translocation occurs as a result of interchange of chromosome segments in non-homologous chromosomes. There are three types: simple translocation, shift translocation, reciprocal translocation. Point mutation. It refers to alterations of single base pairs of DNA or of a small number of adjacent base pairs. Point mutation in DNA are categorized into two main types. They are base pair substitutions and base pair insertions or deletions. In base substitutions, the DNA is such that one base pair is replaced by another. It can be divided into two subtypes, transitions and transversion. Base pair addition or deletion, collectively termed indel mutations. The mutation that changes one codon for an amino acid into another codon for the same amino acid are called synonymous or silent mutation. Codon for one amino acid is changed into a codon for another amino acid is called missense or non-synonymous mutation. Codon for one amino acid is changed into a termination or stop codon is called nonsense mutation. Mutations that results in the addition or deletion of a single base pair of DNA result there is a complete loss of normal protein structure and function are called frame shift mutation. All mutations are generally caused either by physical or chemical agents.